In the rapidly evolving world of AI, motion generation software is becoming a game changer for creators. Right now, tools like Runway ML and DeepMotion are leading the pack. Runway ML offers intuitive features that let you animate characters with just a few clicks, while DeepMotion brings your 2D images to life in 3D space, making it perfect for game developers and animators alike. Looking ahead to 2025, we can expect even more innovation. Imagine software that not only generates motion but also learns from your style, adapting in real time to create personalized animations. Companies like Synthesia are already paving the way with AI-driven avatars that can mimic human expressions and movements seamlessly. As we embrace these advancements, the barrier to entry for animation will drop significantly, allowing anyone with a vision to bring their ideas to life. The future of motion generation is not just about technology, it's about empowering creativity like never before.